Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video we're taking a look at another Victorinox Swiss Army knife. And this one is kind of a funny one. So maybe you can tell from the packaging. It says one function, which is sort of funny, I guess. This tells me that we're dealing with basically a knife blade. And this one's called the Day Packer. As you can see, congratulations, you are the newest owner of a Victorinox Swiss Army knife, etc., etc., crafted in... Alright, so one clip point straight blade. Kind of neat. Alright, so let's open this thing up and take a look at it. The scales look like they're like the Econoline scales, almost. Like the ones from the pruner and stuff. Alright. It's also a different color orange. I mean, different color yellow. It's definitely a brighter yellow than the other one, I think. Alright. So, let me grab a ruler. Let's take a look at this thing. Alright, so we're looking at a... Now, that's kind of interesting. 98 millimeters. That's a weird size. It's definitely not 93. It's not 108. That's interesting. Alright. So it has a little clip point blade. And it's kind of funny. Okay. This blade feels like it doesn't necessarily belong in the knife. So, or in the scales. So you have a almost maybe 48 millimeters, or call it a little bit over 2 inches. And then the opening part, like the opening right here in the body of the knife, is like almost close to 3.5 inches wide. That's a weird choice. Huh. I like that blade style though. I kind of wish this were available on some other knives, like you had this option. Interesting. I don't know. Kind of an odd little knife, an odd little Swiss Army knife. But yeah, it's... Yeah, you see there's like a big gap right there. Can y'all see that? Like the blade ends right there. And then you have all this extra space right here. I don't know. Kind of interesting though. If you want to find out about this knife, I'll include links in the description where you can find this knife like on Amazon. And I'll also include the Swiss Army knife wiki page about this knife. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know down in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.